Here it says for p such that x is converted to 4x squared plus 4x minus 3. Find the p of 3, p of negative 1, p of 1 half, p of x minus 3, and p of 2x. First of all, I try to write it in a simplified form, simplest form, so p of x equals 4x squared. I will write this expression 4x squared plus 4x minus 3. So it's p of x. Now it asks to find the p of 3. That means I substitute this value in this expression instead of x. Let me change my color. So p of 3, oh, I didn't see it, wait, would be, I should substitute 3 in this expression, so it would be 4 times, and instead of x, I put 3 squared plus 4 times, and instead of x, again, I put 3, 4 times 3 minus 3. So if I calculate it, it would be 9. 3 to the power of 2 gives me 9. 9 times 4 gives me 36. And 4 times 3 gives me 12 minus 3 gives me 9. So the answer would be 45. So P of 3 gives me 45. Here is so easy. Instead of I will substitute negative 1 instead of x in this expression. So I will have 4 times negative 1 squared, which gives me 1. We know any negative sign to the power of even gives me positive. So plus 4 times negative 1, 4 times negative 1, and minus 3. It would be negative 4. Negative 4, I can undo it with this 4 because it gives me positive 1, positive 1 times 4 gives me 4, and it would be negative 4, so I undo them, so the answer would be negative 3. And for the next part, part C, it says P of 1 half, so I substitute again 4 times 1 half to the power of 2 gives me, let me write the final answer, 1/4 plus 4 times 1 half again. So, and then minus 3. Here I say 4 times 1/4. I can simplify them, gives me 1. And here 4 simplify both divisible by 2 gives me 2. So it would be 1 plus 2, 3, and minus 3 gives me 0. P of x minus 3, instead of x, I will put x minus 3. That means I substitute x minus 3 in this expression. Let me do it. It would be 4 times x squared. So this time instead of x, I put x minus 3 squared plus 4 times x minus 3 minus 3. Now I expand this perfect square. So I will have 4 times. If I expand, it would be x squared minus 6x plus 9. And then I will go distribute this 4 inside parentheses. I will have 4x minus 12, and then minus 3 gives me minus 15. Let me distribute this 4 inside this parenthesis, so it gives me 4x squared, and 4 times 6 gives me negative 6, gives me negative 24, and 4 times 9 gives me 36. So I apply this 4 inside this parenthesis, so I get rid of this coefficient. Anyway, if I rewrite them, I only have 1 for x squared, and the term that include only x would be 4x and negative 24x, which gives me negative 20x. And now I will go for the constant term, which is 36 and negative 15. That gives me plus 21. It's my final answer. For part E, I do the same, substitute 2x instead of x, so I will have 4. Instead of x, I put 2x squared, then plus 4. Again, instead of x, I will put 2x, and then negative 3. 2x to the power of 2 gives me 4x squared. So 4x, let me write 4x squared. 4x squared times 4 gives me 16x squared. Now it would be plus 8x. And the last part is my constant. That would be negative 3.